Kitalo nnyo Mukama Katonda agumye ab'enganda ate saako n'emikwano. Ebyo nno nga tubitadde ebbali tugenda kubanga twolekera mu district ey'e Kasese. Waliwo okusika omuguwa ku ngeri gye balina okugugulamu omugga ogwa Nyamwamba. Enteekateeka eno ebadde yatandikiddwako naye waliwo oluuyi olugamba nti singa kigenda maaso n'okubanga kikolebwa enkuba eno etonnya obutasalako eyinza nate okuddamu okujjuza omugga guno ekiyinza okubaleetera okuddamu okukola omulimu gwe gumu. Bo abakulembeze ku mutendero gwa wansi bategeezezza nti enkuba eno ne bw'etonnya teyinza kubaako oba olyawo na bulabe bwonna bwereeta okwekuusa ku mataba.
Mu kaweefube w'okumalawo amataba mu bitundu eby'e Kasese okutereeza omugga Nyamwamba kutandikiddwako wadde nga enkuba etandise okutonnya. Wabula kino kiraliikiriza abatuuze ne bategeeza nti enkyukakyuka y'embeera y'obudde ate yandiremesa omulimu guno ne gugootaana okukolebwa obulungi.
Depending to the situation that has happened in Mbale, we also have a lot of fear that it may happen here in Kasese. And this has not been the first time. It has been happening several times. So we are trying to relate the situation of Mbale to Kasese. And the government has been coming up with voice saying that they are going to desilute River Nyamwamba. Up to now, we haven't seen anything that is going on.
Unfortunate that as they started, then also rain started. So some of us are wondering whether it will not again come to Nyamwamba, will not again behave like it has been behaving. Because if it behaves in the same way it has been behaving, it means the silting will be done today. It keeps silt there tomorrow.
Bano bagamba nti abakola omugga guno bandibadde bayimirizaako baleme okutaataaganyizibwa enkuba okwewala okuddamu omulimu.
The silting would have been done sometime back early February up to around late June, because there was enough sunshine around and the river was almost dry. But now we are not expecting rains early August, because we expected rains early July, as it used to be. But now you can look at a change in the season. Rain has started in August, and the silting started late July. Now it means concurrently as it rains and as the silting goes on, of course there will be a repeat of work.
It's not the right period because when they sealed and River Nyamwamba comes in, the floods comes in, it will be nothing. So we kindly say that maybe they can hold on a bit as they see the weather climate, the way how it is going to change. Then later we start informing the people around River Nyamwamba or people who are gardening that side to start shifting from those areas where Nyamwamba comes.
Ssente wa LC yokusatu ebulembeya Bomera Richard ayogedde kukolebwa kw'omugga guno nga singa guggwa bulungi ebizibu by'amataba byandifuuka olufumo mu kitundu.
The desilting has started and it is also true that the rainy season has started. So we have appreciated the delay, but we are hopeful that they will finish the work before it floods again. You see, Nyamwamba always floods in May and June, but it doesn't flood in September and October, the season we are entering. So we are still relying on that natural behavior of the river of not flooding.
Wabula bo abali ku ddimu ery'okukola omulimu guno bagaanye okubaako kye boogera ku mbeera eno. Byatumusiime Gerard, Crossroad TV, Omunnyo.